In this video, solution to problem number 35 uploaded on 9th December of 2020 itself will be presented. And any viewer of this video should be given the scope to recapitulate that this problem is the modified version of the joint entrance screening test, that is JEST 2020 problem. Now we start solving the problem by rewriting the given differential equation in equation 1, which is an inhomogeneous linear differential equation of second order and first degree. Please find equation 1. General solution to such differential equation is expressed as a sum of solution to homogeneous part and particular solution to inhomogeneous part, which is expressed as in equation 2. Please see equation 2 and also find the characteristics of the differential equation mentioned in a separate box just after equation 1. First, the solution to the homogeneous part expressed through equation 3 will be performed. Well, to solve equation 3, equation 4a represents the trial solution. Please see both 3 and 4a. The derivatives found from equation 4a are written in equations 4b and 4c. Please see 4b and 4c. Now plugging equations 4b and 4c into equation 3, the characteristic equation is as obtained in equation 5. Equation 5 is very important. See that and find the word characteristic equation written just adjacent to it. Solution to the equation 5 is shown in equation 6. Please find that. So, the roots of the characteristic equations, I repeat, the roots of the characteristic equation are distinct and real. And so, the solution to the homogeneous part is given by equation 7. Please see equation 7. The solution to the entire differential equation is given in the question and is rewritten in equation 8. Please find equation 8, it is very important. Comparing equation 7 and equation 8, it is easily seen that A is equal to C1 and B is equal to C3, a fact that is expressed using equation 9. And more importantly, both C1 and C3 are arbitrary constants as written inside the box, because no boundary condition is supplied along with the question to evaluate both C1 and C3. This angle automatically eliminates options C and D, and the correct option is then either option A or option B. Now, the procedure to find the particular solution is started, and utilizing the standard tabular form for finding the particular solution available in any standard textbook on mathematical physics, the choice for the term y suffix p is as given in equation 10. Please find equation 10. Now, finding derivatives of equation 10 as shown in 11a and 11b. I repeat, now finding derivatives of equation 10 as shown in equation 11a and 11b. The results are plugged into equation 1 to arrive at equation 12. There are plenty of equations and we are getting towards the end of the problem. So please see all the equations very clearly. 10, 11a, 11b as well as 12. So very clearly from 12, C2 equal to minus 1 by 3. And thus, as written just at the very bottom of the board, option B is the answer. I repeat, option B is the answer. I hope that the full solution to this modified version of the question set in the joint entrance screening test of the year of 2020 without using any shortcut is understood by all after watching this video. Thanks for watching.